Question 1. What is the capital of India? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. Correct answer, A. Delhi. Question 2. What is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Horse. Correct answer, B. Tiger. Question 3. What is the national bird of India? A. Parrot. B. Pigeon. C. Peacock. D. Crow. Correct answer, C. Peacock. Question 5. Which is the largest state of India by area? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer, C. Rajasthan. Question 6. Where does the Ganga river originate? A. Yamunotri. B. Gangotri. C. Kedarnath. D. Badrinath. Correct answer, B. Gangotri. Question 7. What is the national sport of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Football. D. Kabaddi. Correct answer, B. Hockey. Question 8. Where is the Taj Mahal located? A. Delhi. B. Jaipur. C. Agra. D. Lucknow. Correct answer, C. Agra. Question 9. When was the Constitution of India implemented? A. The 15th of August 1947. B. The 26th of January 1950. C. The 2nd of October 1948. D. The 26th of November 1949. Correct answer, B. The 26th of January 1950. Question 10. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Correct answer, C. Pacific Ocean. Question 11. Satyamev Jayate is taken from which text? A. Vedas. B. Upanishads. C. Gita. D. Ramayana. Correct answer, B. Upanishads. Question 12. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Jasmine. Correct answer, B. Lotus. Question 13. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Premchand. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer, B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 14. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Bengaluru. D. Chennai. Correct answer, C. Bengaluru. Question 15. Who wrote the book, Discovery of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer, B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 16. What is the national tree of India? A. Neem. B. Peepal. C. Banyan. D. Mango. Correct answer, C. Banyan. Question 17. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Horse. D. Dog. Correct answer, B. Cheetah. Question 18. What is the chemical formula of water? A. CO2 BH2O CO2 DH2. Correct answer, BH2O. Question 19. Who designed the Indian national flag? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Pingali Venkaiah. C. Nehru. D. Patel. Correct answer, B. Pingali Venkaiah. Question 20. Who wrote Vande Mataram? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Tagore. C. Gandhi. D. Nehru. Correct answer, A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 21. In which direction does the sun rise? A. North. B. South. C. East. D. West. Correct answer, C. East. Question 22. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Brahmaputra. D. Narmada. Correct answer, B. Ganga. Question 23. Who is known as the father of computer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Newton. C. Einstein. D. Tesla. Correct answer, A. Charles Babbage. Question 24. Which is the largest continent in the world? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. Australia. Correct answer, C. Asia. Question 25. What is the national song of India? A. Jana Gana Mana. B. Vande Mataram. C. Sare Jahan Se Acha. D. A. Mere Watan Ke Log On. Correct answer, B. Vande Mataram.